Source bump is yet another way you can add redundancy to your master control playout system with Crispin. This actually operates in two different ways. It was originally created as a rain fade solution where many IRDs used to capture live satellite feeds or other various live sources. They can send a GPO contact closure to automation if they ever have a signal loss on the source that they're tuned into. Now, if we receive that, you can have us pre-configured to either call up a treble slide or go to an alternate source during the rain fade duration. The graphic is a common way to do it if you think this might just be, again, a quick passing rain phase sort of scenario where you just want your viewers at home to know to stay tuned and you'll return back right away. But if you actually have this system set up with kind of longer outages expected, you may want to use that alternate source. Now, I mentioned that source bump can be used in two different ways, and that was the original primary way. But we've also used this now to make a simple way to automatically toggle between your primary and backup video server on a traditional master control switcher. It does just as it sounds. If you see an error or if we detect an error automatically in your primary video source but the backup is fine, or we see missing media on the primary but not on the backup, we will send a take to the master control switcher to take this alternate video source that's configured as the backup video source in your event, as simply as that. I mentioned it can be done manually, and to do that I go into my online offline mode and I can hit set source bump, and in that case I just hit OK, and that goes to this bump icon, and also again sends the appropriate commands to your master control switcher to take that alternate, and I can go back by clearing source bump. Now, if this was automatically created, it will automatically fail back as well too, although you can configure it to stay on the failed back source if it needs to as well. They're both optional. And that's our source bump.